Hello, how are you? I hope you're smiling today because we're so excited to be with you. My name is Agnes, and I want to give you a big welcome to our English-speaking podcast. Whether you're listening from your kitchen, your classroom, or your favorite place in the world, thank you for being here.
Hi everyone, I'm Jasper, and yes, thank you so much for joining us. You could be doing many other things right now, but you chose to spend time learning and practicing English with us. That's a big thing. You're doing something special for your future, so from our hearts, thank you.
Today's episode is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about your heart. It's about your belief in yourself. Jasper, would you like to ask the big question of the day?
Of course, Agnes. What is the special topic we're going to talk about today?
Today's episode is called English Speaking Practice. Believe in yourself. Speak with confidence. And I truly believe this is one of the most powerful topics we can share with our listeners.
Wow, that title gives me goosebumps. Believe in yourself. Speak with confidence. It's not just about language. It's about how we feel when we speak English.
Exactly. So many people say, I'm shy. I'm afraid. I don't speak well. But you know what? You don't have to be perfect to speak English. You only need one thing. Courage. The courage to try.
That's right. When we learn to speak English, we also learn to face fear. We learn to trust our voice. Even if you speak slowly, even if you make mistakes, it's okay. The most important thing is you are speaking.
And your voice is important. Your story, your ideas, your dreams, they deserve to be heard in English or any language.
Let's stop and say something really important to every listener right now. You are enough. You can do this. You're learning. You're growing.
Let's say that again, one by one. And if you are listening, repeat after us out loud or in your heart.
I am enough.
I can do this.
I am learning and growing every day.
Beautiful. These words are not just for motivation, they are for truth. You are not alone in this journey. Millions of people all around the world are learning English just like you.
And here's the thing. Every time you say even one sentence in English, you're practicing something powerful. You're training your mind. You're building your future.
Sometimes people think, I'm too old, or my English is too bad. But that's not true. There is no right age to learn. There is no bad English. There is only learning and growing.
Yes. And sometimes people compare themselves to others. Oh, she speaks better than me, or he learned faster. But let us say this clearly. You are not in a race. You are on your own journey. And your progress is real even if it's slow.
That's right. Just like a baby learns to walk step by step, you are learning to speak English step by step. The most important thing is, keep going, keep speaking, keep believing.
So, how can you speak English with more confidence? Let's talk about that now. We'll give you some ideas, and they're all simple.
1. Speak every day, even just for 2 minutes. Yes, even 2 minutes a day is powerful. Look in the mirror and say something like, I am learning English today. I believe in myself. I can do this. Speak with love. Speak with confidence, even if you don't feel confident yet.
The secret is this. When you speak as if you are confident, your brain starts to believe it, and one day, you'll notice, you really are confident.
The secret is this. When you speak as if you are confident, your brain starts to believe it. And one day, you'll notice, you really are confident. Smiling helps your voice sound clear and warm. It also makes you feel more relaxed. So next time you speak English, smile even a little. It can change everything.
3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is so important. Mistakes are not the end, they are the beginning. Every mistake is a teacher. Say this with us. Mistakes help me learn.
I will not be afraid.
I will keep speaking.
Perfect. Let those words live in your heart.
4. Speak from your heart. You don't need big or fancy words. Speak about what you know. Speak about your life. Speak with feeling. You can say things like, I love my family. I enjoy learning. Sometimes I feel nervous, but I try my best.
Those are powerful sentences. Why? Because they're real. And when you speak something real, people listen. And more importantly, you feel strong.
Let's practice together. Let's do a short practice right now. Repeat after us. Okay, I believe in myself. I will speak English today. I am proud of myself.
Yes. Say these every day. Say them with power. These are not just words. They are your tools. Use them.
Learning English is not only about books. It's about courage. It's about being brave enough to open your mouth, even if your voice shakes.
We believe in you. And we hope that today you believe in yourself a little more than yesterday.
So let's continue with more ideas, more energy, and more motivation, because speaking English with confidence is not just possible, it's already happening, right now, inside you.
So let's continue with more ideas, more energy, and more motivation. Because speaking English with confidence is not just possible, it's already happening right now, inside you.
Yes. And you know what? Confidence doesn't come from perfect grammar. It comes from trying. Even when you're not sure, it comes from small, daily actions. That's how you grow.
I want to tell our listeners something personal. When I started learning another language, I was scared too. My hands would shake. I thought people would laugh at me. But one day I realized something. People don't care if you're perfect. They care if you're real. They listen when you speak honestly.
That's beautiful, Agnes. And I had a similar experience. When I visited another country, I made many mistakes in their language, but people helped me. They smiled. They said, "It's okay. You're learning." That gave me so much hope. And now I want to give that hope to you, our listeners.
Fear is something we all feel, but fear does not mean stop. Fear means go slowly, go bravely, but don't.
So how can we face the fear of speaking English? Here's one way. Start with easy sentences. Just say what you know. My name is Anna. I live in Brazil. I like coffee and music. These are small, but powerful. Why? Because you're using your voice.
Yes, even one short sentence can be a big victory. Another way to face fear is this. Speak in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Smile. Talk. No one is judging you. It's just you and your growing confidence.
You can say things like, "Hello, I am learning English. I believe I can speak well." At first, it feels strange, but then it feels strong.
Motivation comes from progress. Another way to stay motivated is to see your progress. Maybe you don't feel fast. Maybe you think you're not good enough. But ask yourself, do I understand more than last month? Can I say more words than before? Did I speak out loud this week? If the answer is yes, even to one question, then you are improving.
That's true. Let's say something together now. I am getting better every day. My small steps are taking me forward. I don't stop. I grow. These are more than sentences. These are seeds. If you plant them in your mind, they will grow into confidence.
Here's another helpful idea. Try using English in small real-life ways. For example, read signs or menus in English. Say your shopping list in English. Watch videos with English subtitles and repeat the words. Talk about your morning in English, even to yourself.
Yes, and you can even make your phone speak English. Change the language setting. Listen to music in English. Let English be around you. When you hear English every day, it becomes a part of your world.
Practice with emotion. When you speak, use feeling. Don't just say words. Say them with life. I'm happy today. I feel strong. I love learning English. When your voice has emotion, your brain remembers more, and people feel connected to you.
And this also helps with fluency. Speaking is not only about words, it's about rhythm, tone, expression. Even if your grammar is not perfect, if you speak with emotion, people will understand you better.
Let's repeat and practice. Okay, friends, let's practice together. Repeat after me, slowly. I am learning English today. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to try.
Good job. Now, say this like you mean it. I have a strong voice. I am not afraid. I'm a confident English speaker.
Bravo. That's how you build confidence. Speak, feel, believe.
So, keep speaking. Even if your voice is small, keep trying. Even if you feel unsure, every small sentence you speak is a big step on your journey.
Let's keep going. Let's explore how to stay motivated when things feel difficult, because that's when your strength really shines. Let's keep going. Let's explore how to stay motivated when things feel difficult, because that's when your strength really shines.
Yes, every learner has hard days, days when you don't feel like studying, days when you feel tired or slow, or like your English is bad. But we're here to remind you that's all part of the journey.
You are not a robot. You are a real human with feelings. And it's okay to feel tired. It's okay to say, today was hard. What matters most is don't give up.
1. Motivation is like a fire. Let's imagine this. Motivation is like a fire. At first, it burns bright. You feel excited, strong, full of energy. But what happens when no one adds wood to the fire? It gets small, then quiet, then cold. So we need to feed our fire. We need to give it new energy every day.
How do we feed that fire? By doing small, simple things like watching a short English video, saying one sentence aloud, listening to your favorite podcast, reading a quote that gives you hope, smiling and saying, I can do this. Each one is like a small piece of wood, and every time you add a piece, you keep the fire alive.
2. Remember your why. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to remember your reason. Why are you learning English? Is it for a better job, to travel the world, to make international friends, to understand movies, music, or books, or maybe just to feel proud of yourself? Whatever your why is, hold it in your heart. Say it every day.
For example, say, I'm learning English to help my family. I want to speak with people around the world. English will open new doors in my life. Your why is like a map. When you feel lost, it shows you the way forward.
3. Celebrate small wins. Many people wait for big success to feel proud, but real success is made of small wins. Did you speak English today? Did you learn one new word? Did you understand a sentence in a movie? Celebrate that, even if it's small. It's real.
Say this to yourself. I'm proud of myself. Today I move forward. My effort is working. When you celebrate progress, you give your brain more energy to keep going.
4. Be kind to yourself. Here's something very important. Don't be angry with yourself. If you forget a word, it's okay. If you feel shy, that's okay. If you need a break, take it. Learning a language is not a test. It's a journey, and you deserve kindness along the way.
Yes. Speak to yourself like a friend. Say, I'm doing my best. I'm not perfect, and that's okay. I'm proud of my effort. You are not lazy. You are learning. And learning takes time.
5. Imagine your future self. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture your future self. You're speaking English clearly. You feel calm, confident, free. Maybe you're on a plane, talking to the person next to you. Maybe you're in a job interview, answering questions in English. Maybe you're laughing with friends from another country. Daily motivation practice.
That person is not far away. That person is you in the future. But every step you take today brings you closer to that version of yourself. Speak for 5 minutes today and you're 5 minutes closer. Learn one new word and you're 1 word closer. Smile and try again and you're already becoming that person.
Let's do a little motivation practice together. Repeat with us. I believe in my voice. Every day I speak, I grow stronger. My English is getting better and better.
That's beautiful. Say it loud. Feel it in your heart. I am learning. I am growing. I am enough.
Yes. You don't need to wait to feel proud. Be proud now. You are doing something powerful, something many people are afraid to do.
And we are here every step of the way cheering for you. Because we know you are capable. You are brave. And you are becoming fluent.
Let's finish this part with energy and hope. And then take one more step together because this journey is just beginning.